When it comes to improving your property's value and attracting potential buyers or renters in Kendall, window replacement is an often overlooked but highly impactful investment. From increasing energy efficiency and enhancing aesthetics to boosting security and reducing noise, replacing old or inefficient windows can significantly improve the return on investment, ROI, for property owners. Here's how window replacement can add tangible value to your Kendall property and help you get the most out of your investment. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most compelling reasons to invest in window replacement is the energy efficiency modern windows offer. Older or single-pane windows can be a major source of heat loss and drafts, leading to higher utility bills. In Kendall's warm and humid climate, keeping cooling costs under control is essential. High-quality replacement windows, such as double-pane or energy-efficient models with low emissivity coatings, provide better insulation. They help maintain indoor temperatures by reducing heat transfer, which lowers the strain on HVAC systems and reduces monthly energy bills. Energy-efficient windows not only make your property more comfortable year-round but also attract eco-conscious buyers and renters looking to reduce their carbon footprint. According to the National Association of Realtors, NAR, energy-efficient home improvements, including window replacement, can offer an average ROI of 70–80%. Improved curb appeal. The exterior appearance of a property is crucial in making a strong first impression. Windows are a prominent feature of a building's facade and can either elevate or diminish its aesthetic appeal. Replacing outdated or damaged windows with modern, stylish options can instantly transform the look of your property. From sleek frames to versatile designs, there are many options that can complement the architectural style of any home or commercial space in Kendall. An attractive exterior can significantly increase your property's value by creating a positive perception and enhancing its curb appeal. Potential buyers or tenants are often willing to pay a premium for properties that look modern, well-maintained, and stylish, helping you maximize your ROI. Increased property value. Replacing windows not only boosts curb appeal but also directly increases the property's market value. According to industry experts, window replacement consistently ranks among the highest value home improvement projects for return on investment. Potential buyers and appraisers recognize the value of new windows due to their immediate and long-term benefits, such as improved insulation, reduced noise, and enhanced aesthetics. Buyers in Kendall, where the climate and storm concerns are factors, often prioritize properties with impact-resistant windows. Installing such windows can offer peace of mind against severe weather while increasing perceived value. This makes your property more attractive in a competitive real estate market and allows you to demand a higher selling price. Better security and safety. Modern replacement windows come with advanced locking systems, reinforced glass, and impact-resistant options, significantly improving the safety and security of your Kendall property. Homeowners and tenants prioritize safety, and having robust, secure windows is a major selling point. New windows can prevent break-ins and offer better protection during storms, making them a valuable feature for buyers or renters looking for peace of mind. Reduced noise pollution. Kendall is a bustling area, and noise can be a concern for many residents. Modern window replacement solutions often come with noise-reducing features, such as double or triple pane glass and insulated frames. This is a valuable feature for homes near busy streets, schools, or commercial areas. Reduced noise levels contribute to a more peaceful living environment, making your property more attractive and desirable. Lower maintenance costs. Outdated windows often require frequent maintenance, repairs, and cleaning. Modern replacement windows are designed for durability and ease of maintenance. Features such as tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning, weather-resistant materials, and durable frames can save homeowners time and money over the long term. For buyers or renters, low-maintenance windows are an attractive feature that adds long-term value. Maximizing your ROI. Window replacement is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a value-driven investment that improves energy efficiency, enhances aesthetics, boosts property security, and offers noise reduction. As a property owner in Kendall, investing in window replacement will not only increase your property's market value but also make it more attractive to potential buyers and renters. For a meaningful ROI, consider replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient, and stylish options tailored to your property's needs and the local market demands. By making this strategic improvement, you can maximize the value of your Kendall property while enjoying the benefits of a more efficient, secure, and beautiful living space.